Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back with me, Firdaus Setiabudi from English Education Department, Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty, UIN Raden Lampung. In this video, I want to review Microsoft Excel book for financial management. Alright, here I have Manajemen Finansial dengan Excel by EMS Team, PT Alex Media Computindo. And you can buy this book from any bookstore, I think, but I bought it on Gramedia. I bought this book when I was in vocational high school because at that time I was majoring in accounting, where I required to be able to compile financial reports using Microsoft Excel. This book is very perfect for those of you who are majoring in management or accounting, or those of you who want to learn how to prepare financial reports using Microsoft Excel software. Because there are still many companies that still use Microsoft Excel to create company financial reports because Microsoft Excel doesn't require additional cost to operate it. Unlike applications that specifically compile financial reports that require additional cost each year or each period. Well, in this book, I was learning so many knowledge of formulas in operating Microsoft Excel, starting from introducing financial functions or formulas to Microsoft Excel, such as recognizing basic formulas or functions, and then learning if and logical function are if and or formulas, and then learn many financial functions or Excel formulas like GDB, and then PMT, SLN, PV, SYD, and many more. Not only about functions or formulas in Excel, but this book is also equipped with how to process financial data with Microsoft Excel, starting from how to calculate break-even point, and then create a break-even point calculation table, and then analyzing break-even point, and make a variety of reports such as debt report, expense report, inventory report, and then cash flow report. In this book, there is also a page how to print and present data company financial reports, so we can easily print out our report well and appropriate. Okay, I want to rate this book. I give 4.7 from 5 star. Why? Because I love the cover. The cover is look expensive even though it looks simple, and also I like every sheet of paper from this book. And then the important thing is the content of this book is very complete. Okay, I think enough the review video from me. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for all of you. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes. The last say wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.